Dapat tagong radyo eskwela na. Na 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 na. Dapat tagong radyo eskwela na. Halika na at makinig sa mga aral naming hatid. Saang sulok ka man kapatid, aabutin ka ng aming tinig.
Walang araw na sasayangin, edukasyon ipagpatuloy natin. Anumang pagsubok at mga balakid,
Kaalaman ay aming ihahatid.
na 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 na.
Dapat tagong radyo eskwela na.
Na 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 na.
Radyo eskwela handang magbigay saya.
Na 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 na.
Makinig ng mabuti nang matuto ka.
Na 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 na.
Dapat tagong radyo eskwela na. Radyo eskwela na. Radyo eskwela, tara na.
You can learn something new if you listen. Good day, everyone. Welcome to our pilot daily radio. We're glad to be with you in this new normal way of learning. For today's lesson, let us inspired by the quote of Margaret Mead. A children must be taught how to think, not what to think. I am your daily radio host, Chris Evans F. Katapang from Magugpo Pilot Central Elementary School. Today, you will learn about degrees of comparisons of adjectives. A lesson from English 3, Quarter 4, Module 3, Lesson 5. So kids, prepare your pen and notebook and sit back. Let us welcome our teacher today, Teacher Sigrid Allen D. Galion.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Grace. Good day, grade 3 learners. It is a wonderful day to continue to learn and discover new things in this new normal way of learning. I am your teleradio teacher, Sigrid Allen D. Galion, and welcome to Pilot Teleradio. And today, we will continue to learn more about the degrees of comparison of adjectives. We have two learning objectives for our lesson today. First, write the positive, comparative, superlative degrees of adjectives. And second, recognize the keywords in comparative and superlative degrees of comparison. Before we move forward with our lesson today, we will review the things that you have learned from our last episode of our Teleradio Eskwela. Direction. Identify the degree of each adjective. Write P for positive, C for comparative, and S for superlative. Again, write P for positive, C for comparative, and S for superlative. Write your answers on your notebook. You will be given 5 seconds per item. Number 1. A candlelight looked so bright at night. The underlined word is bright. The correct answer is P for positive. Number 2. The sun is the brightest of all objects in the sky. The underlined word is brightest. The correct answer is S for superlative. Number 3. The moon shines brighter than the stars. The underlined word is brighter. The correct answer is C for comparative. Number 4. The turtle is the slowest among the animals in the race. The underlined word is slowest. The correct answer is S for superlative. Number 5. A bike moves slower compared to a motorcycle. The underlined word is slower. The correct answer is letter C for comparative. So, did you get all the answers correctly? Very good. If you had some difficulty with it, do not worry, because today we will learn more about the degrees of comparison of adjectives. Now, let's have a short drill before our discussion. We have here our direction. Choose the adjective in the following sentences. Again, choose the adjectives in the following sentences. Write your answers on your notebook or paper. You will be given 10 seconds per item. Number 1. Tables and chairs made of Nara are durable. Tables and chairs made of Nara are durable. Are you done choosing the answer? Very good. The adjective is durable. Let's continue. Number 2. Celebrities that give relief goods are generous. Celebrities that give relief goods are generous. Are you done choosing the adjective? Great job! The adjective is generous. Number 3. They live in a beautiful house. They live in a beautiful house. Did you find the adjective? Fabulous! The adjective is beautiful. Number 4. My family ate delicious foods in the restaurant last night. My family ate delicious foods in the restaurant last night. Did you find the adjective? Awesome! The adjective is delicious. Number 5. I bought a new and expensive car, but it was comfortable. I bought a new and expensive car, but it was comfortable. Did you find all the adjectives? Very good. The adjective in the sentence are new, expensive, and comfortable. Did you get it all right? Amazing! Now, let us continue to learn more about our lesson on the last episode of our Teleradio Eskwela. You have learned about the degrees of comparison of adjectives. Degrees of adjectives are used in describing and comparing persons, places, or things. The degrees of adjectives are positive, comparative, and superlative degrees. Positive degree of adjective. Positive adjectives describe one person, place, or thing. For example, Gina is an intelligent girl. The adjective in the sentence is intelligent. It is in positive degree. Let's move on. Comparative degree of adjective. The comparative degree of adjective is used to compare the quality of two persons, places, or things. The words done and compared to is used to indicate comparison, and that the comparative degree is used. The comparative degree of adjective is formed by adding R or ER or more to the positive degree of adjective. Last episode, you have learned the rule in the use of R or ER. This time, we will learn the use of more in forming the comparative degree of adjective. Rule in the use of more. If the positive adjectives ends in suffixes such as full, less, able, and other adjective suffixes, use more to form the comparative adjective. Examples: colorful, more colorful; durable, more durable; delicious, more delicious; fearless, more fearless; artistic, more artistic. We added more to the adjective to make the comparative degree of adjective. Another examples using more in forming the comparative adjective in a sentence. The flower garden is more colorful than the vegetable garden. The key word is the word than. Next example. My rubber shoes is more durable than my shoes. The chocolate cake tastes more delicious compared to the cupcake. Let's move on to the superlative degree of adjective. Superlative degree of adjective. The superlative degree of adjective is used to describe the person, place, or thing with the highest quality among others. Superlative degree of adjectives. The words of all, among the, indicate that the superlative degree is used. The superlative degree is formed by adding est or most to the positive degree of adjective. You have learned last episode the rules and the use of st or est in forming the superlative degree of adjective. And today, we will learn the use of most in forming the superlative degree of adjective. Rule in the use of most. If the positive adjective ends in suffixes such as full, less, able, and other adjective suffixes, use most to form the superlative adjective. Examples: amazing, most amazing; obedient, most obedient; attentive, most attentive; responsible, most responsible; self-reliant, most self-reliant. Another examples using most in forming the superlative degree of adjective. The carnival is the most colorful of all places in the city. The ice cream is the most delicious of all the desserts on the table. Do you understand, kids? If yes, you are doing so good. Great job! Let's now proceed to the degrees of comparison of irregular adjectives. Irregular adjectives do not follow the rules of adding R, ER, or more, and ST, EST, or most in forming the comparative and superlative degree of adjectives. Instead, irregular adjectives change in spelling to form the comparative and superlative adjectives. However, they still use the keywords than or compared to, and of all or among the. And now, let's all read the examples of the table showing the degrees of comparison of irregular adjective. In positive degree, good. Its comparative, better. Its superlative, best. In positive degree, bad. In comparative, worse. Its superlative, worst. In positive degree, much. In comparative degree, more. Its superlative degree, most. In positive degree, little. Its comparative, less, lesser. Its superlative, least. Is it clear, kids? Very good. Now, are you ready for an activity? Prepare your paper or notebook and pen. Direction: Choose the degree of adjective that will make the sentence complete. Write the letter of the correct answer. Again, choose the degree of adjective that will make the sentence complete. Write the letter of the correct answer. I will give you 5 seconds to answer per item. Choose the letter of the best answer. Let's begin. Number 1. A scissors is a blank tool. A scissors is a blank tool. A. Useful. B. More useful. C. Most useful. The correct answer is letter A. Useful. A scissors is a useful tool. Number 2. My ball pen is the blank of all my schooling materials. My ball pen is the blank of all my schooling materials. A. Useful. B. More useful. C. Most useful. The correct answer is letter C. Most useful. My ball pen is the most useful of all my schooling materials. Number 3. Crayons are blank. Crayons are blank. A. Useful. B. More useful. Or letter C. Most useful. The correct answer is letter A. Useful. Crayons are useful. Let's move on to number 4. Danielle is a blank servant of God. Danielle is a blank servant of God. A. Good. B. Better. Or letter C. Best. The correct answer is letter A. Good. Danielle is a good servant of God. And number 5. Our mother is a blank singer than our father. Our mother is a blank singer than our father. A. Good. B. Better. C. Best. The correct answer is letter B. Better. Our mother is a better singer than our father. Number 6. Manny Pacquiao is the blank of all Filipino athletes. Manny Pacquiao is the blank of all Filipino athletes. A. Good. B. Better. Or letter C. Best. The correct answer is letter C. Best. Manny Pacquiao is the best of all Filipino athletes. I hope you got a perfect score. If you do, you are absolutely amazing. At this point, it's your time to show what you have learned in this lesson. You did a great job in the previous exercises. And I know you will make it this time. Direction. Choose the degree of adjective that will make the sentence complete. Write the adjective on the line. Again, choose the degree of adjective that will make the sentence complete. Write the adjective on the line. I will give you 10 seconds per item. Number 1. The adjectives in our choices for numbers 1, 2, and 3 are difficult, more difficult, most difficult. Number 1. Dancing is very blank. Dancing is very blank. Number 2. Drawing a tree is blank than drawing a mountain. Drawing a tree is blank than drawing a mountain. And now, number 3. Multiplication is the blank of all lessons in math. Multiplication is the blank of all lessons in math. For numbers 4 and 5, the choices are attractive, more attractive, most attractive. Again, for numbers 4 and 5, the choices are attractive, more attractive, most attractive. Number 4. Sunflower is the blank among the flowers in our house. Sunflower is the blank among the flowers in our house. Number 5. An orchid is a blank compared to a gomamela. An orchid is blank compared to a gomamela. At this time, let us check your answers. Number 1. Dancing is very difficult. Amazing. Number 2. Drawing a tree is more difficult than drawing a mountain. Number 3. What is your answer? The correct answer is most difficult. Multiplication is the most difficult of all lessons in math. For number 4, the answer is most attractive. Sunflower is the most attractive among the flowers in our house. For number 5, the correct answer is more attractive. An orchid is more attractive compared to a gomamela. Congratulations for making it this far. Thank you for taking time to learn about using the degrees of comparison. I hope you got a perfect score. If you do, you are absolutely excellent. If not, review your Quarter 4, Module 3, Grade 3 for the things that you have missed, or you may ask assistance from your parents, or you may message your teachers for some questions and clarifications. Thank you very much for listening and following us, and to our parents for guiding our dear learners. This is the end of our lesson today. Once again, I am Teacher Sigrid. Let us be inspired from a quote of Nelson Mandela saying, "Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world." So kids, we should never stop learning despite this new normal journey of education. Learning will continue. Quality education must be delivered. Remember, we are all in this together.
Wow! That was indeed an interesting topic. Thank you, Teacher Sigrid. Thank you, viewers and listeners. I believe you learned a lot from our lesson today. Until next episode, don't fail to watch and listen here in Pilot Teleradio and Charm Radio 103.9 FM. Once again, this is Teacher Grace saying, stay safe and healthy, God bless, and bye for now.
Te petagong